Hi everyone, Paul Levy with Brownells here, and this week we have some more new products. First up, from Navidrex, we have their Rosewood high power grips. Navidrex has been making grips for a while now. The Rosewoods are new to Brownells, obviously a pretty nice grain, nice sharp checkering on these. Great look on your Browning high power. Next up, from Vortex, we've got two new items. We have the Low Pro Bubblevel. This is a Bubblevel that mounts conveniently on your scope. This one's a 30, it's also available in other scope diameters. Simply screws onto your scope. You don't even have to remove your scope to put it on. And then of course, ensure your scope is level while you're shooting, get the proper ballistics performance out of your scope. That's new from Vortex. Also from Vortex are their precision matched scope rings. Yes, these are your standard scope rings, or at least they look like it. These are actually kept in pairs when they're being machined, and they actually serialize each scope ring to ensure they stay together and they know which ones are produced together. So the board's obviously concentric, everything's machined to the proper tolerances. That way you don't have any variance when you're mounting your scope. That's new from Vortex. And next up from JOMM, we have some unprimed cases. Now we've got a few different case selections from JOMM. They're new to the industry as far as selections like this. 100 pack of brass cases. These ones are nickel plated 300 Blackout cases. Pretty interesting, especially if you're reloading 300 Blackout. You don't have to worry about messing with once fired brass. Buy it new from JOMM. And next up from TIMNEY, we have a few different selections. This is a take on their standard drop-in trigger. Obviously a little bit different trigger shoe on this one. It's straight instead of their curved trigger. Gives you a bit different feel. A lot of people prefer the flat trigger. Installs just like their previous models, gives you a great feel on the trigger. This one I believe is the 3, comes in all their standard weights. That's the new AR-15 trigger. And you should also check out some of their other options. This is one of their newer Remington 700 triggers. Comes with a thinner trigger shoe there. They're also going to have a 2-stage Remington 700 trigger, so watch out for that. That's on our site right now as well. That's new from TIMNEY. And in the back here, we have a new rifle from Aero Precision. This is the AC-15 mid-length. We've been offering the OEM rifle for a while. Now we decided to offer a rifle that's basically complete out of the box. It's got a mid-length gas system. It's got your furniture already installed, obviously a mid-length handguard with heat shield, your buttstock, 6th position ready to go, and your A2 grip. So out of the box, all you need to do is mount your scope, maybe a rear sight if you want, and you're ready to go. I should note on the barrel, it's 4150 steel, nitrided. Everything's properly inspected. They test fire these. They even stake the castle nut. A great rifle at a great value. That's the new AC-15 mid-length rifle from Aero Precision. That's it for this week. I'll see you again next week.